After rap.
Actions never cease, the last lap we will increase our speed so fast that we pass those in the lead. Like a track athlete that will not accept defeat. Gauge the relevancy and focus energy on me, where the passion runs deep. Like the traffic on the street, siren sound, horns beat. Concentration is the key, we must be active to succeed. For every action there's a reason. Action guaranteed, so the actions never cease. There are cycles and systems, we do not hold the balance to wildlife's existence in our sweaty little mitts. We're all a part of something bigger, it's so hard for me to figure the role that I'm to play in my own home. I need to filter what my kids I can handle the ozone. We think we're responsible for what is out of our control, and the stuff that we can manage, we manage to let it go. Giving children birth control instead of telling them to hold on to their childhood. Why would we encourage them to grow up in a hurry and experience the hurt accompanied by all the worry? Hurry up and stay young, children, have fun. So many lessons in life that aren't meant for when you're underage, and all the pain that you face in your days is a part of growing up. One day